In this video, I will show you step by step how you can promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic. Okay, so let's get started. So first, before you start promoting Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest, you need to see what's trending on Pinterest, which products, which Amazon products are trending right now in Pinterest. Okay, so what you will do, you will go to Google and you will search for Pinterest trend. Okay, click on the first link over here and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, so this page, this Pinterest trend page, will give you trending products in United States, Canada, or any country you want. Okay, click over here on, so click on region, for example, over here on country, and choose. So if you want to target United States, choose United States. You want to choose Canada and see which products are trending on Canada, click on Canada. Okay, Spain, Italy, Germany, and so on. Okay, so I will choose United States. Okay, like this, and Pinterest will give you top trends in United States this month. Okay, so those are the products that are trending right now. So let's see. Let me check if we can find a good product to be promoted with Amazon affiliate links. Okay, I think this one looks good. Let me see. So we have, okay, let's check this product. This one looks really trending right now. Nails Ideas. Okay, I will click on this product. I will scroll down. I will click over here and I will select just 3 months. Okay, past 3 months. And as you can see, this product is trending in United States this month. Okay, on Pinterest. Let's scroll down. If you scroll down, you will see over here related trends. Okay, so you see this one. I think this one is going crazy. Okay, let me see. Well, this one is really, you can see that this one is going crazy. It's going viral. Okay, this product is trending in Pinterest in United States, and as you can see, this one is really going good. It's just keep going up, as you can see. Okay, so what I will do, I will copy those keywords. Okay, and I will copy those keywords. I will go to Amazon. Okay, and I will search for this product. Okay, I will click on over here and I will search for this product. Okay, because it's trending in United States in this month. Okay, so this one can earn me a lot of commission with Amazon affiliate marketing. So you will find a lot of sellers here on Amazon who are providing this product. Okay, so let's choose one of those sellers. So for example, this seller has a lot of reviews. I think this one looks good, and this one also really looks good. But let's see, if we scroll down, you can find a lot. Choose sellers who has good reviews. Okay, so let's choose this one. I'm gonna choose this seller. Okay, I will click on this product. Okay, so just click on this product and you will be directly in this product page of this seller store. Okay, so what you will do next, you will click on this picture. So let me see. This picture looks good. I will click on this picture and double click and save this picture to your laptop. Okay, like this. I'm gonna name it, for example, trend. Okay, and what you will do next, go back to your Pinterest account. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so let's go to Pinterest. Go back to your Pinterest account like this. Okay, and click over here on home feed. Click on create pin and you will be directly in this page. Click over here and upload this picture about your Amazon product. Okay, this is my Amazon products picture. Open, and here you go. Scroll down. You need to put here title. Go back to your Amazon products page and copy this title. Okay, I will copy just this part because this title is too much long. I will go to Pinterest. I will put this title over here and as you can see it's too much long. Okay, I'm gonna make it like this. Description, I will go back to this Amazon product page. I will scroll down. You should see over here about this item. This is description of the product. I will copy this part, go to Pinterest. I will put this part over here, scroll down. You need to put here your affiliate link, your Amazon affiliate link. Go back to this Amazon affiliate product page, click over here on text. So you already have an affiliate account with Amazon and you will see this bar over here. Okay, and copy this Amazon affiliate link, okay, of this product, and go to Pinterest. Let me show you. Go to Pinterest, put this Amazon affiliate link here like this. Click on choose a board, and if you have new accounts, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I already have a lot. I will choose this one. Scroll down. You need to put here keywords or tags related to this product. Okay, so what you will do, you will go back to Amazon and you will copy those keywords that are in your title. Okay, so I will use those keywords, and those keywords are very important. Put those keywords here like this and click over here on publish. Okay, and your Amazon products, your Amazon affiliate products will be published on Pinterest like this. This is your picture, this is your Amazon affiliate link, this is your title, and this is your description. Okay, and we are promoting this product that it's trending in United States this month. Okay, and as you can see, it's just keep going up and up. Okay, so if you promote a lot of products related to this niche, to this product niche, you will earn commission. Okay, that's how you can promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest, easy and simple. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next videos.